As soon as I came here, I walk in and I say, okay, this is my place.
Paulina, when she came in, she shared with me that she visited quite a few dental offices, but when she came into our practice, after she left, she called her daughter to say that she found a dentist finally.
I think Dr. Rosen got a nice team because everybody smiles. We have a conversation, even if we don't talk about dental things, we talk other stuff.
She decided to restore her smile with implants.
It was so easy. At the end of the procedure, I didn't realize he did all the work without pain.
Now she's enjoying that comfort of eating, comfort of speaking. She's definitely a person who loves to socialize. She's always with people, cracking jokes and having fun.
I have my smile back like when I was young.